welcome to Season 2 of Interactive Live! That's right, I'm Lux. So, we're back sa Interactive Live. How do you guys feel?
Excited.
First time,
Diba?
Yes, first time.
Oh my God. Nakapag-experience na.
As an oldie. Well, sa mga bagong
Oldie
members,
again.
sa mga bagong members, sa mga bagong and nakatutok ngayon, Interactive Live is made so that you will be part of the show. Ayan. Hindi lang kami dito yung magkwentuhan. Kasama kayo sa kwentuhan natin. Of course, we have our favorite members live and unfiltered. Ready to laugh, play, and of course, connect. Kaya stay tuned hanggang mamaya kasi marami kaming mga